welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of counting calories, dieting, or jumping on any new weight loss trend, I get it. So for today, I'll be sharing my real life routine that has helped me lose 1 kg every month without dieting. Look, this is about balance, not restrictions. Real habits, real life, and real results. So what does no dieting really mean? When I say I don't diet, I mean no cutting of entire food groups, no guilt after meals, no tracking every bite. You know those calorie counting things that everybody's doing? I don't do that. Instead, I focus my energy on a simple system. I eat mostly nourishing foods. I move my body daily. And most importantly, I stay consistent. For me, it's not about eating perfectly. It's actually about eating intentionally. How do I put this? Making sure that my plate of food at every time is balanced. So all the food groups should be present on my plate. I don't joke with it. Okay. So let me take you through what my typical day looks like for me. Nothing fancy. Come on. I don't do fancy. It's just real life. First of all, what you should know is your bestie is constantly doing intermittent fasting. I don't joke with it. Every day I am fasting. I follow a 16 to 8 hours window every single day. So what that typically means is come 12 midday, I break my fast and I start to eat. Most times, even when it's 12 o'clock, your girl is still not hungry. Even if I'm not hungry, when it's 1 o'clock, I am eating. And also, one thing you should know is once a month, I do a 3-day tummy detox to clear out my gut. So I've got a video talking about how to do a healthy tummy detox. And also I've got a free meal plan which you can download and start using right away. So what the 3-day tummy detox does for me is it reduces my bloating, it clears out my gut, and it gets me energized and puts me back on track. My 3-day tummy detox is gentle, natural, and it gives me a great boost. You should check it out. Link is in the description below. And if you have completed my tummy detox before, drop a comment so people watching can also know that you have done it. Let us know how it made you feel. Having said that, now let me tell you how my typical day normally flows. Yeah. So after I break my fasting, I do my first meal. My first meal can be a high fiber with protein. So that's like I can do oats with berries, and the oats, maybe I had soaked it a night before or early in the morning. I'll soak my oats in yogurt with loads of berries inside it. Or I simply just do boiled eggs with avocado on toast. Then my second meal is usually very filling. That usually happens between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. when I'm done with the school run. So for my second meal, I will have a balanced and filling meal. Like, for example, I can have a chicken with salmon and veg or a kale sauce. It has to fill me, you get, and it has to also be balanced. I can add steamed rice or sweet potatoes on the side. Always do leafy greens. You know, my vegetables, it can be kale or just stir fries, but some sort of greens. I have to have greens in my plate. It just makes it colorful, and I know it's healthy for me, and I love the taste of it. You know, you get it? And then if I'm still hungry, much later before 8 p.m., I just have a light but satisfying meal. I can have a salad bowl or a fruit bowl or a light soup like tomato soup or pepper soup. Something light and not too heavy. And before I sleep, I take my herbal tea or green tea to just wind down. I also do snacks in between. So between 1 and 4 p.m., if I feel like eating anything, nibbling on anything, I do snacks. I can just put peanut butter, mix it up with, just peanut butter with yogurt, a little yogurt, and then dip my apples and I'm eating. Or I have nuts. I don't have a lot of nuts, but I can also have fruits, a serving of fruits or 3 fruits, depending on how hungry I am. Yeah. So I have snacks in between as well. Let me know if you want me to create a meal plan for my besties. My besties, what do you think? Should I create a meal plan for you? Put it in the comments if you want a meal plan for a weekly meal plan or a monthly meal plan. I will make out time and create a meal plan for my besties. So this routine works for my busy mom life. I'm very busy. It gives me freedom without feeling restricted. My detox days are also very easy to follow. My detox are mostly smoothies, herbal teas, and light veggies. Chicken, we do chicken as well. Very easy to follow. So let's talk about my 3 non-negotiables. So these 3 things I'm about to share with you, they help me stay on top of my routine. And I don't joke with them without dieting. I don't joke with these 3 things I'm going to share with you right now. So number 1 is I drink water. I make sure I'm drinking a minimum of 1 liter every day. I don't like drinking water, but 1 liter is big deal for me. If you can do 2 liters, fantastic. If you can do more than that, fantastic. But I stay on top of my water intake. Guess what? When you drink water, it reduces cravings and it also helps with better digestion. Number 2, I move my body daily. I dance. Hey, Eddie, what are you doing? Calm down now. I move my body every day. It's either I'm walking or I'm dancing. If I'm walking, I aim for a minimum of 8,000 steps. If I'm dancing, I also aim for that because they're trackers. So it's either walking or dancing. Choose what works for you, but make sure you're active. The last thing I don't joke with, I do not eat after 8 p.m. I don't do that. I try not to do it even when I'm outside hanging out with friends. If we're having a meal after 8 p.m., I tend to eat something very light or just shy away and say, oh, just have tea. But if I do it once in a while, it's all right. You see this rule of not eating after 8 p.m.? It helps to reduce mindless snacking and late night cravings. If you can stop it, you will see you won't have those late night cravings. So how do I stay consistent? Bestie, let me tell you the truth. Motivation can fade out. That's why I rely on routines and mini wins. So let me give you some tips. Use a habit tracker. Celebrate non-scale wins. So non-scale wins like better sleep, clearer skin, better moods. Celebrate these wins. Join a support community or have an accountability partner. You can join my Facebook group or you get in touch with me and I become your bestie, one-to-one bestie. I'm already your bestie, but if you want to take it to the next level, we can talk on a one-to-one. Link in the description below. Bestie, this isn't about perfection in any way. It's about showing up most days. So what usually happens after 3 months of sticking with my routine? Let me tell you, after 3 months, I noticed that I usually lose between 2.5 kg to 3.5. More than that, I'm on a constant high energy for my kids. I am in total control of this body you're seeing. I stopped obsessing about food. And then I felt like, me again, like I can achieve so much, and I have been achieving a lot outside weight loss. My career, my finances has really, really improved because of just sticking to a 1 month weight loss routine. So if you want to lose 1 kg monthly over the next few months, it's 100% possible. Start small, be patient, and trust the process. And if you need a cheerleader, ID is your healthy bestie. I'm here for you. Hit like, subscribe, and comment no diet in big capital letters if you're done with the diet culture and ready for a real change. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, please come back. I'm here every week. We are on this journey together, losing 1 kg every month. Let's do this, bestie. We can do it. Remember to watch the 2 videos showing up on the screen. I'm sure you will learn a whole lot from these 2 videos. Take care, bestie, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.